Allison, sit down, please. Thank you.
Alright guys, attention up here. Side conversations, they're ending right now. Thank you. Alright, so today we're going to make fried rice.
Yay!
So before we start doing that, since Mr. Esteban's still getting the spam ready, I have to talk to you guys about rice.
Okay.
So, in most third world countries, rice is their main food product because when you cook rice, it expands. So even if you have like 1 cup of rice, once you add water to it, it expands in your stomach, so it fills you up more. In countries such as China, Japan, the Philippines, it's a very important food group.
So it's mostly an Asian food.
I wouldn't say that. I know in Mexico they use a lot of rice. I eat rice every day. Yeah. So guys, so pretty much every poor country that you can picture in your mind, they will probably eat some type of food that has rice. Like I know for me, I'm half Filipino. We eat rice all the time, whether it's plain rice by itself, fried rice, desserts, even in drinks. Rice is very important.
Ew. That sounds gross.
Have you had horchata? Have you
horchata? No.
That's a rice drink.
I tried rice pudding, but never rice and drinks.
It's rice, cinnamon, sugar.
Ew, it tastes like baby food.
Alright guys, back to it.
Guys! Shh.
I know this part is kind of boring. Like, I understand that.
It's not boring.
You guys still need to listen, okay? The point of Cooking Club is not just so you guys can eat food. It's so you guys can learn about other cultures and learn about the significance of food.
It's true. What are you looking for?
Alright guys, just a side note. There's not that many of us in here today, or in the program in general, but still, if you're acting out, you're going to go back in the cafeteria and hang out with Miss Ari. When you're in here, the primetime rules still apply. We're supposed to respect yourself, respect others, respect materials. So just because you're in here, it's not an excuse to act crazy. So just keep that in mind, okay?
Alright, so in order to make fried rice, it's really simple. It's really easy. The hardest part is making the rice. But if you have a rice cooker like this, it's really
Alright
simple.
guys in the back, I need you to stop talking.
So when you're making white rice, you always use a 1-to-1 ratio. So if you put a cup of rice in there, you put a cup of water. Brown rice is a little different. It's a little harder to cook. Usually you use 2 cups to every 1 cup of rice. So I usually just put a little bit of oil, a little bit of salt just to taste. The oil also helps it from the water from bubbling up and going out of the pan. But since you're doing the rice cooker, you really don't need too much. But after you're done with the rice, after it's cooked, you let it cool for a little bit. And usually you grab a wok or a pan. You grab a wok and a pan and you put your rice in there. You mix in some soy sauce. You can mix in vegetables. Today we're using vegetables and Spam. You can honestly use whatever you want, like a stir fry. But usually it's like Spam, vegetables. You know, when you guys go to Chinese restaurants and stuff like that, it's usually what they put inside of it. And so while you're mixing everything in, you're also going to put some soy sauce. That's how the fried rice gets that brown color. You can also put the sesame oil.
Never tried that. Never even tried Spam either. Oh, are you okay? You okay?
Yes.
Okay. Man-made. That's like the smallest pan ever. Where is he going?
Be careful when you're cooking, guys. Yes. Because don't touch anything.
Is he okay?
Yeah, let's just put our hands like this. Doesn't hurt at all.
Alright guys, talking. Really. Thank you. Alright, so I really only have 2 bowls of rice right now that are prepared. So if you guys can kind of like join tables, so maybe how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Alright, so if you guys can get in like groups of 7, that would be great. So go ahead and start like moving around.
Alright, here's the rice. Here, can you hold on to this, please? Thank you. And yeah, there's the rice.
Way to step up.
I hope it actually does. Oh, yes, it's raining. Practice be canceled, please. I take it back, bro.
When you hit someone, it's hard.
What did you say? I said, why can't we go up? It's not
Can you please not tap the table, please?
Sorry, my bad.
It's alright.
That was asked very nicely. Good job.
Thank you.
I need your help.
Okay.
Look at that Chinese soul.
I got you. You're good. Oops, maybe.
Haley knows how to break an egg. Come on, Janelle.
Oh, duh.
Hit it a little bit harder in the side.
Wow.
Oh.
Better than Janelle.
At least I knew what it was.
Put it in the trash.
Where have those hands been?
You need to go wash your hands. Don't touch anything. Don't touch anything.
Bruh.
Don't touch anything.
Oh.
Ugh.
All you gotta do is press the